G'day, this is AllBrand Caravan again. Today what we're currently doing on this van is that we're removing the front of the van, and as you can see what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with black checker. Now when we've removed the black matting off this van, we've found that there's a bit of water damage under there. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to assess the damage, and then we're going to have to give the customer a call, and then we're just going to have to quote them on price on how to fix that, because if we don't fix that water damage then we can't secure the black checker back to the van because of all the wood rot. So in the end, once this is all done, it's going to look similar to this van over here at the front there. Right, and then a few other things that we do here is that not just only this, we also do the sides of the caravans. So if you ever have hail damage or if you've had an accident or anything like that, we also replace the sides of your caravans. We can also replace the roof, or we can do all sides basically, and that can relate to basically any kind of damage, whether you hit a tree or another car, or you just clip a fence or something like that.